If you enjoy the weather information, then please visit bodotsonweather.com and sign up for the text messages and more. Help sponsor the data. If your family has been considering a storm shelter, then check out Endrizi Storm Shelters. Located in southern Illinois, family owned and operated. They will deliver and install over parts of southern Illinois and western Kentucky. Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I want to show you visible satellite. You see some puffy white clouds here. These are cumulus clouds. Some of these have turned into thunderstorms over northwest Tennessee, thunderstorm in Callaway County over the past hour. We also have some intense thunderstorms developing in the St. Louis area. These may become severe as they move mostly north of our area. They're moving east-northeast into a very unstable air mass. We also have cumulus clouds developing back here, and that's a concern for our area later this afternoon and evening, and even into the overnight hour. We also have a cold front that will move through our area tomorrow. We'll talk about that in a little bit. I want to show you some of the maps that I'm looking at this afternoon. This is the HRRR model. It's a short-range model guidance. It usually does a pretty good job of picking up on thunderstorm activity. I want to show you what it does as we move into the late afternoon hours around 4 or 5 o'clock. It develops quite a bit of thunderstorm activity over let's say western Illinois into eastern Missouri and then into southern Missouri. There is a boundary through here. It's sort of a stationary boundary that's draped right across this area, and that has been the focus for showers and thunderstorms over the last 12 to 24 hours. Really not sure how much activity will develop, but can't ignore the guidance showing showers and storms developing later this afternoon into the evening hours. This is at about 8 o'clock, and you see quite a few scattered showers and storms over southeast Missouri. You see this area of heavy thunderstorms. Probably some of these will be severe as they move into Indiana this evening. Those will move off to the northeast, and then what we're going to watch later tonight will be the cold front as it moves in from the west. That boundary, however, will still be in the area tonight, so we could have showers and thunderstorms developing. I put the chance at 40% for tonight for Kentucky and Tennessee. I put it at 50% for Missouri and Illinois. We'll watch radars over the coming hours. Keep in mind that any thunderstorms that develop will have quite a bit of moisture to work with, so locally heavy rain is a good bet, and some gusty winds as well. Lightning is a concern for outdoor events. So you've got football games tonight. Have somebody monitoring radar. You may have some thunderstorms to deal with scattered about on radar. I want to move you into tomorrow morning. We move into the 3, 4, 5 a.m. time frame, and here comes the cold front from the west, and we'll stop it here at 7 a.m. and the front will be somewhere right in here. Perhaps some scattered showers and storms in the morning dotting the area. Keep in mind, this is just a model. It's not gospel. It's just model guidance. So don't take each one of these dots, literally. The model is picking up on the possibility of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. If you have plans on Saturday, this is what I've been telling you all week long. If you have plans on Saturday, have a plan B. If it rains, you've got your plan B. If it doesn't, great. There is at least a chance, 40 to 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday as the cold front moves through the area. The cold front will probably stretch from Mount Vernon to Poplar Bluff as early as 7, 8, 9 a.m. and then will work its way eastward through the area. It will clear our area by tomorrow afternoon, probably after 3 or 4 o'clock. It'll be completely out of the area. Showers and storms could accompany the front, maybe a broken line, and then the instability will become stronger over Kentucky and Tennessee. Possibly some sun in the morning might heat things up. Unstable atmosphere, but I think the severe weather risk will stay off to our east tomorrow. East of Hopkinsville, east of Evansville. That's the way it looks right now. Now, if the front were to slow down a few hours, that might change. But for now, I think the stronger storms are more likely to be further east. We'll keep an eye on radars tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on radars tonight as well. Speaking of radars, let's just pull up national radar view, and we see those thunderstorms developing over the St. Louis area. Talked about those earlier. These could become severe. We might have to have some sort of severe weather watch issued for parts of central Illinois into central Indiana. Probably just north of our area. We'll keep an eye on the Mount Vernon, those counties up that way, Jefferson County, a little further to the north. Southern areas here, we'll be watching this area back here for some thunderstorm development. We also have these storms near LBL at this time. Again, it's around 3 o'clock now. We'll zoom in a little bit to the Paducah, Kentucky National Weather Service radar, and we see that band of showers and storms, Paris, Tennessee to the LBL area up towards Princeton. That's moving off to the east-northeast at about 20-25 miles per hour. Here's that area to our north, very heavy thunderstorms southeast of St. Louis right now. Even some rotation on these cells, probably some small hail and gusty winds. This yellow area you see is where the Storm Prediction Center is thinking about issuing a severe weather watch. They're watching trends, they're monitoring trends to see if these storms continue to develop. Okay, so that's about it. If you have plans tonight, take your radars. Keep an eye on them, maybe some thunderstorm. Outdoor events, your concern tonight is probably lightning and heavy downpours. Will not rain everywhere, but we could have scattered showers and storms on radar. Your concern tomorrow, cold front comes in from the east. Storms, showers possible with the front. Front clears the area tomorrow afternoon. Very nice tomorrow night. Nice camping weather. Lows into the 50s by Sunday morning. Highs on Sunday only in the 70s. So a little bit of fall in the air. Probably back into the 80s. By Monday, but I don't see any extreme heat right now in the short term. And then the long range forecast as we move out towards next weekend and the week after, starting to look like some heavy rain somewhere in the Missouri and Ohio Valley. Too soon to know if it would be our area or perhaps a little to the west and north. We'll keep an eye on that as well. I hope you have a nice weekend.